Namaste everyone, welcome back to the Ladders Club. Today I'm wearing a different attire. I've got tilak on my forehead. Why? Because it's Navratri. We celebrate Navratri in India and it means the win of good over evil, and that's what every religion teaches us. So you're part of my community, I'm part of your community. Guys, we are all in this together. Now come back to the markets. Markets are looking extremely good. Today is the final day of the month and tomorrow Q4 begins, which is absolutely bullish for crypto. Guys, I've got this video for you. Less than 8 minutes. I've got 4 to 5 trades, all in the current narratives. So what you need to do is just bear with me for 8 minutes, like the content, subscribe to the channel, and become the part of this family. Let's go. Guess what? Rectember is ending right now, right today, and we are going towards October, Moonvember, and then Bullsember. This is gonna be amazing for the markets. I am actually extremely bullish for Q4 and I've got trades. I've got my spot portfolio sorted. I've literally taken a lot of trades in the past few weeks and I will continue to do so because in my opinion, bull market is the best way to make as much money as possible. You are in the right place, guys. You are at the right place in this YouTube channel. Guys, US stock market hits the most expensive valuation in the history, surpassing the dot-com bubble. That is true, but at the same time, the trend is intact and fear and greed index tells us that we are still at not extreme greed. Yes, the stock market was at greed and now is back at neutral. And this is what Bitcoin is doing as well. Bitcoin right now is at neutral too. This means that we are not overbought in the markets. This means that we are allowed to be buying things, the good quality tokens. If you look at 1 hourly time frame, you'll see some of the tokens going up and some of the tokens going down, but we need to find the best narrative tokens. And that's what I do for you. I do a lot of homework, I get the levels, and I always give you trades. For example, this one, Pump Fun. I literally gave Pump Fun on my Discord frontrunners as well as on my Twitter. You don't have to pay for anything. If you want to join Discord, you can use the below link. You can get the discount from my code. But if you don't want to, then it's okay. You should definitely follow my Twitter because I literally gave the trades over there and we also hit the TP1. During the TA session today, we hit the TP1 and now we are waiting for TP2 and TP3. And I've got more trades obviously because that's what I do all day. I don't have any life. I just keep looking at the charts, keep finding trades and work like a robot, which is super bad, but it's okay. Bitcoin right now on higher time frame is back above this trend line. Guys, this became a resistance. Remember when I was literally a bit of fearful and I was like, okay, we are breaking down and we have to get above super quickly or else this thing is gonna go towards lower levels, which is going to be 107, 105 and then 100k. But Bitcoin went up and Bitcoin has reclaimed the resistance. This is extremely bullish. Now, Benjamin Cowen said, look, this guy is super smart. He's been correct most of the cycle. And now he's saying that the Bitcoin dominance is going to be going higher in October. I don't make predictions. I'm sorry, Ben, but I do not make predictions in the markets. As a trader, my job is to do what's happening right in front of me. And right in front of me, I can see that Bitcoin dominance is at the resistance of 59%. Now, Bitcoin dominance has already broken down of this trend line and is at the resistance. Until the time it breaks above the resistance, like Bitcoin did over here, until the time it does that, I cannot be bullish on Bitcoin dominance, which means I have to be bullish on altcoins for now because Bitcoin dominance is actually going down. Simple, very easy in my opinion. Now, another big thing happening today, FTX Recovery Trust will distribute 1.6 bill tomorrow and this is going to be in stablecoins. It's going to be sent via BitGo and Kraken. Absolutely amazing. 1.6 bill coming in. Now we know that when this money comes in, people are gonna buy crypto. Some of the people won't, but majority of the people do because this is old money. You get me? These guys already know crypto. Yes, they've been burnt once, but they know how to fix the situation now and they are already seeing how crypto market is growing. So some of the money should be coming into the crypto market. We are gonna see that pressure for sure. The first token I want to show you is orderly, which is being an absolute beast right now. I was talking about this on my Twitter as well. I hope you guys saw it. Now look, virtuals ran to 5 billion plus over the course of the agent meta, which is absolutely correct. Orderly, the functional equivalent for perp dexes, has no competition in its lane, and it's seeing large KOLs launching new orderly powered dex daily. It is happening. It is truly happening while it is literally at 350 mil FDV. Even after the Binance and Upbit listing. Guys, this is showing strength now. If you go on daily time frame, you can see how it's literally at the new all-time highs. And in my opinion, the trade is pretty simple. When it consolidates over here and gives a deviation, I would say buy. Look, I've been buying this thing since here. You get me, 0.24. But if you did not see my Twitter, then you can focus on this consolidation, which will act as a bull flag. And I really believe that this token is going to go up. This project is quite amazing. And right now it's in the narrative. And we always want to be in the things which are in the narrative. Simple, right? I can't give you the levels because I am waiting for some consolidation if you want to enter now. So I will keep you updated. It's why I'm telling you this is so that you can have it in your watch list. You should have it ready in your watch list. You should literally have a rectangle or a text box here which just says that, okay, I'm going to be entering, or I will be waiting for a consolidation here. Yeah, obviously make it wide because you want to make it visible. Here you go, simple. Create a watch list of the new narrative tokens. The second token is Pump Fun. Bro, you always talk about Pump Fun. Yes, I do. Because I love it. Because the token is absolutely amazing. Because I'm making money on it as well. Look, I'm actually making money on it in the spot and my leverage account when it comes to Pump Fun. Now they are introducing advanced level for mobile, which is amazing. They are going to the moon. How? They're doing the streaming. The metrics are amazing. Cash cow, buyback meta. They've got the watches. What else do you need? When it comes to the levels, it's actually down 40% from the all-time highs. Let me show you guys. Look, this thing is actually went down 45% from the all-time highs. I've got a spot entry already. I've got a limit order at 4.5 bill market cap, but right now on lower time frame, I am looking at this inverse head and shoulder, this potential inverse head and shoulder which is forming. You see the left shoulder, you see the head, you see the right shoulder forming. I'm already in the trade. TP1 is taken. If you want to enter with proper risk management and make sure that you put your stop loss at 5% below the entry. This is the entry if you get it. Look, I'll be uploading this video in 1 hour from now. So if you do not get the entry, it's okay, but this is the entry. Do not take the entry below, above, or anywhere else. This is literally the entry. Current price, CMP, 5.4 billion market cap, 5% stop loss. No financial advice, obviously. Also gave it on my Twitter. So you can't say that I did not. Now, the next token I've got is Hyperliquid. Kathy is talking about Hyperliquid. She says it's early Solana. Imagine. Now, I'm not saying she's going to be correct, obviously, but I believe in Hyperliquid. I believe this thing is going up. Yes, whales are selling. Whales are talking about other things. People are talking about other dexes, centralized exchange backed dexes. I don't care. Hyperliquid is the beast. Hyperliquid is the best. Remember that. Do not forget, please. Hyperliquid also has reclaimed the trendline resistance. Very, very important. And now it's going to try to take a support. I believe this is a really good discount for Hyperliquid. It went down around 31%. That's a proper discount. If you do not own this token, you should have it in your portfolio for sure. Do not miss it, please. Now, people are talking about ASTER. You know what, guys? Perpetual Pulse said that why do you rank these by volume? Because there can be wash trading as well. Do it via open interest and not volume. When you do it via open interest, you're going to see how Hyperliquid is absolutely dominating this meta. It's pure domination. No competition at all. Remember, which is why you need to be in the best. It's not like, oh, I can't be in, you know what, I don't want to be in ASTER. You should be in ASTER. You should be trading ASTER, but you should be invested in Hyperliquid. By investing, I do not mean like 4 years. No. 3-4 months, try have a swing trade, medium time frame or semi higher time frame trade on Hyperliquid. Why not? or pump fun. Why not? I've been talking about these things in the videos. Yes, I do give small trades. For example, pump fun. I just told you guys pump fun, which is an LTF trade, and I'm also going to give you another one soon. But hyper NFT volume on OpenSea surpasses 60 million in under 24 hours. Now you've got this new thing going on. And if you remember, I've been talking about PER. PER is the main meme coin of Hyperliquid. I think it's a really good bet, and you should be taking it. It's currently sitting at 120 million market cap, around that level. I've been buying it since 80-90. I said it in my Discord, I said it on my Twitter that I'm buying this. I'm not selling it right now. I want it to run towards the previous all-time highs. Turbo it, literally turbo this thing. Why? Because it has got the narrative. It's one of the best memes, not one of the, it's the best meme in the Hyperliquid ecosystem. Now guys, Astra. Oh, please talk about Astra too. Why? Because people want to trade this thing. Okay, let's trade this thing then. You know what? It's right now going down. You cannot be buying something which is going down. But either it comes down to this support, you buy here, or it breaks out and you buy here. You get me? It's as simple as that. Either you wait for a breakout, retest, continuation, which is towards the upside, breakout, retest, continuation, and you buy here, or you wait for it to come back to this support, which is the main HTF support. Now this HTF is only 45 minutes because the lifespan of this token is quite small, but that's okay. We trade it, and we already traded round 1 and round 2 on Astra. This is going to be a round 3 in Astra. Both the rounds went amazing on Twitter, on Discord, on YouTube, and now round 3 is going to be amazing too. So you've got a trade. You've got a new trade. The final one I want to talk about is World Liberty Financial. I think this is going to run. And World Liberty Financial founders take the stage of Token 2049 on October 1st, which is tomorrow. So they'll be talking about a lot of things. In my opinion, World Liberty Fi is looking good. It's coming back to this level. My limit order is going to be 1.90 with a stop loss of 4.5%. That's risk management of risk reward ratio of 3.49. Absolutely stunning. Quite amazing. I think this is a perfect trade. You've got the fundamental, you've got the narrative. These guys are coming tomorrow on the stage. They're going to be talking about things. The price of this token is going to push towards the upside. It's obviously sensitive because of the announcement until the time they say something stupid, obviously. So guys, all the trades are current narratives. I'm not talking about Polkadot, Monero, Cardano. No, I'm literally telling you and giving you levels and trades for things like Astra, things like Orderly, things like Pump Fund, Hyperliquid, World Liberty Financial. I'm making sure that you're up to date with everything. I'm making sure that I don't just tell you, oh look, Apple is a great company. No, I also tell you where to buy Apple, where to sell Apple with risk management. Guys, this is no financial advice, but you know that we've been working hard. So push this channel, right, towards the upside. Let's go to the moon together. Bye-bye.